Okay, so guys, today I'm gonna show you guys why this Rubik's Cube is named megaminx. So I'm gonna tell you why. So the reason why is because this Rubik's Cube has 12 sides, and another reason is that this is a pentagon Rubik's Cube. And guys, the fourth reason is that you almost solve it like the same way as a 3x3, but you have extra penalties or step at the end. And my fourth reason is that if it was megaminx to Rubik's Mix, it might have 24 sides. So these are the reasons why guys, I hope you might do this video. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye.